Good morning all student. Today discuss the new topic insurance claim account. Insurance claim account. This here important topic for the university exam and internal exam. It is important topic for the insurance claim account. The insurance claim for the all business person, the related for the all insurance for the world. In this insurance world, a business may be suffered abnormal losses due to different reasons such as fire, theft, burglary, floods, strike, etc. Among them, the most common which destroy or causes severe damage to the asset is like stock, building, plant, machinery, furniture, etc. is a fire. When a fire takes place, the business naturally incurs heavy losses, and in turn the normal business operations are disturbed. Hence, the businessman need insurance, specially is regard to cover loss of stock destroyed by fire and loss of profit during the period of disruption of a normal business operation. When is a business suffered a loss from an incurs event, it has notify the insurance company regard for the business under all the provisions for the include in this all concept for the business under the insurance for all fixed asset, current asset, in business under the all asset, the asset are the asset on the insurance for the transferable and calculated for the after the indemnity period for the insurance. And insurance claim account under the all policies are required from the day to day the business transaction for all world in included for the business, and a person related for the insurance claim, other policies related for the insurance claim, and business under the insurance claim under the other policies in this separately for the person and business. And more than all insurance policies in this required for the under the insurance claim account, and policies under the business policies and person policies are the both difference in this insurance claim account under by the insurance claim. And after the situation in this all claim or under by the insurance claim account, and the indemnities period for insurance claim, and continue day to day all data provided for the business under which are the insurance claim under property, business, and whatever for the all asset and property in this required for the insurance claim account. And it is a insurance covered would enable as a businessman to carry on the business without much difficulty. In the absence of insurance cover, normal business operation cannot be restored. In that connection, on the most of the important problem for the insurance required in this indemnity period for abnormal fire, theft, burglary, flood, strike, common causes, incurs, disrupted for the included in this fire for the date of the fire for the insurance claim under the for business. And all more than objects and introduction for this other topic. And a business take 5 insurance policies to cover for there are 2 types of insurance claim in this important 2 types. Firstly, a claim for loss of stock, and secondly important types, claim for loss of profit. In this two type are the most important, and third type in this related for the only two types in this required for the new and old provision for the transferable for the all rights in this required in this claim for loss of stock and claim for loss of profit, and thirdly a claim for loss of fixed asset in this included in this property under the property on claim in this insurance claim account under the three types. And naturally in this continuous for the claim in a business under the insurance claim, whatever for the day to day and all transaction for the business transaction under the which are the specific period, and this accounting year started 1st April to 31st March in this accounting year, and in this indemnity period for the calculated for there are two types in this calculated for the insurance claim, and application for the average clause and application of insurance cover required in this insurance claim. And in this topic under the most important only two types here, claim for loss of stock and claim for loss of profit in this related in this insurance claim under the insurance claim under the types. And there are insurance in this concept, it is important. The insurance, it is not profit received, but only payable for the indemnities for the issues and insurance required. And insurance under the all insurance part under the all covered the indemnities period the only loss and indemnities for the issues in which are the business person the required for the indemnities period, and not issues more than not issues profit, only indemnities for the issues in insurance under the claim. And which are the claim under the for two type under the calculated loss of stock and loss of profit. In this year the three types for the types of insurance claim in this required for the claim for loss of stock, claim for loss of profit, claim for fixed asset. In this three types in this important, but mostly important only two types here, claim for loss of stock, claim for loss of profit, and claim for loss of fixed asset. In this required the continuous for the calculated in this insurance for claim amount. It is required for the all work in this all process for the calculation of the average clause under the overvaluation of a stock in this under by the loss of stock. In this method under the two format, it is firstly calculated format for when a proper record are not available, the following procedure is following a certain values of stock on date of fire. In this firstly required for the method first claim for loss of stock, and calculated for the format first in this trading account for the period, in this year period for the only previous year, and the all mentioned in this year for the method first claim for loss of stock in this important method for the examination. In this two method it is important, claim for loss of stock and a claim for loss of profit. In this firstly method, in this claim for loss of stock, in this under by the calculated for the ascertain values, the application of average clause in this calculated for the firstly trading account in this period ended, and secondly memorandum trading account for the two trading account in this calculated for the all application of average clause in this lastly amount, and which are the amount for the calculated and apply for the claim amounts. In this firstly format for the trading account for the period, and debit side, credit side in this only format. And two trading account in the firstly trading account and secondly memorandum trading account in this format are same format. In this year no mention, in this same format year, and only mention year memorandum trading account. Okay, continue student, come here. This firstly method in this claim for loss of stock, in this under method they are calculated for the insurance claim account under the calculated value. In this when proper record are not available, the following procedure is follow the ascertain the value of stock on date of fire. In this required and calculated for the method first in this claim for loss of stock. In this required the percentage of gross profit of the previous year of the average clause profit for previous year. In this required for the format first and a format second. In this format first under the calculated in the rate of gross profit is required for all work in business under the all provision. Currently the first format in the trading account for the period in this debit side and credit side. In two trading account, firstly trading account and secondly memorandum trading account. In first method under two trading account calculated, and lastly calculated for the values in application of average clause. In this year value in this calculated for the insurance claim account. Under the first method this continues for the format first. In same format the memorandum trading account in this firstly trading account and secondly memorandum trading account here next mention. It is continues the format in the same format for the memorandum trading account. In this trading account for the period, year period for the mention, and debit side, credit side, particular rupees. It is firstly mention for the to opening stock only here format, opening stock amount here mention. Next to purchases amount only inner mention, and in this purchases less return outward amount mention for the inner, and minus amount and calculated transfer amount for the outer. Next to direct expenses amount mention here, and to carriage inward to wages and calculated for the gross profit. In this year gross profit calculated, okay, in this year gross profit calculated, and credit side by sales amount inner and less return inward amount inner here, and calculated transfer amount for the outer, and lastly by closing stock amount outer, and total here close for the trading account for the year, and calculated for the gross profit, and gross profit calculated, and nextly for the first format under the next calculated the gross profit, and next gross profit rate calculated, and lastly second format for the memorandum trading account, and which are the indemnity period for the indemnities period for the mention in this memorandum trading account for the period indemnity period, which are the business under the indemnity period are mentioned for the memorandum trading account. And second format are same format, and second format under the calculated for the year second format under the calculated only closing stock in this balance in figure in this calculated, and which are the sales amount, sales on calculated for the gross profit in this only transferable and calculated for the memorandum trading account under, okay. Second format are not mentioned in the same format. For the difference only your memorandum trading account for the indemnity period, and your calculated for the gross profit on sales on the percentage for the GP rate. In this then GP rate the calculated for the percentage and related for the gross profit. And memorable trading account under credit side, the closing stock calculated for the balancing figure and transferable. Then lastly transferable application of average clause in this year amount in insurance claim under account calculated for the year. Lastly application of average clause in this year amount calculated, and finally which are the amount for the average clause and required for the policies amount, ascertained values and a claim for indemnity period in this required for the all work in this related for the first method in this claim for loss of stock, and second method claim for loss of profit. In this method are the calculated in this required for the claim for loss of profit when a fire occur is not only destroy it asset but also dislocated the normal working condition for sometimes. The business is disorganized for the certain period of time. The normal business cannot be achieved during this period of dislocation. The sales of comparatively less than will they are supposed to be under normal working condition. Beside insurance against loss of stock or asset, businesses often take out loss of profit insurance to cover them against loss of profit is a fire interrupted their business. In this there under the second method in this important for the claim for loss of profit. In lastly calculated for the application of average clause. In this year application of average clause in this lastly value calculated in this formula in this continuous in this compulsory for the second method claim for loss of profit. In this method under by the insurance claim account in the second method under the only calculated for the average clause, and firstly calculated for the which are the business under the calculated the value, and more than important for the application of average clause and indemnity period in dislocation period for the fire occur, floods, burglaries, strike, common, destroy, causes, incurs in related for the business under the indemnity period, and indemnity period the calculated for the claim for loss of profit. It is firstly calculated for the calculation of short sale. In this calculation of short sale in firstly format for important format for the sales during the corresponding period of dislocation, indemnity during the previous year, and which are sales under the addition in a business under the provision for the added for the calculation of the short sale under by the expected percentage increase during the current period for the addition and only calculated for the short sales, and which are the sales minus the sales during the indemnity period for the dislocation period, only the indemnity period in this minus. Firstly sales minus sales during the corresponding period, addition expected percentage increase during the current year, and minus for the sales during the indemnity period in this equal to short sale. In this only formula for calculated the short sales. And secondly calculation of gross profit rate, calculation of gross profit rate under the formula. It is important formula for the net profit plus insured standing charges divided by sales of previous year into 100. Repeat formula: net profit plus insured standing charges divided by sales of the previous year into 100. In this year, calculated for the formula in this year gross profit rate. It's okay. And nextly, calculated for the loss of profit on sale. It is calculated the formula in this related is equal to gross profit rate into short sale. In this year, calculated for the short sale and gross profit rate into short sales into gross profit rate in the equal to profit on sales. And lastly, application of average clause. Lastly, calculated for application of average clause in this formula in this important for the claim is equal to actual insurance taken divided by insurance cover required into gross claim. Repeat formula: claim is equal to actual insurance taken divided by insurance cover required into gross claim. It is calculated lastly for application of average clause. Your formula in this lastly only claim for loss of profit. It is important second method. And calculated lastly which are the values for the indemnity period and related for the business under the insurance claim account under the all policies and all work in required for the all business insurance claim account under the all provision and all condition uses of the two method. It is calculated for the loss of stock and loss of profit. And lastly method for the claim for loss of fixed asset. Claim for loss of fixed asset. In this required the important lastly method for the required for two method calculated for the loss of stock and loss of profit. In required for the business may suffer abnormal losses due to different causes such as fire, death, burglary, strike, etc. Among them, the amount common which destroy or causes several damage to the asset like stock, building, plant, machinery, furniture and fixtures, etc. is a fire. When a fire taken place, the business naturally incurs heavy losses. To cover the risk of losses from such event, a business may take on insured policy with the insurance companies. It is required for the claim for loss of fixed asset. It is required when a fixed asset is destroy the computations of loss is simple. The value of such asset on the date of fire can be ascertained from books of account of the business because most of them usually maintain proper record of fixed asset. Normally fixed asset are a record to the books of account are their acquisition cost which become the basis for calculation for the loss of fixed asset. In this related and required for the loss of stock and loss of profit under the composition of the fixed asset, tangible asset, intangible asset, partial losses, value of the new market value, manual values. In this required the procedure for the ascertaining claim. In this firstly in this ascertained values, it is firstly method first and method second. It is required for the claim for loss of fixed asset and non-specific proportionately. And this all three types it is important for the insurance claim account. These are the calculated the lastly the insurance claim account, the value is calculated for the three methods importance, and more method in this calculated in this important only measures methods in this useful, and currently useful all business structures and useful method only two methods in this claim for loss of stock and claim for loss of profit. It is a continuous all insurance claim account under the all types and all concept in this required in this here stock